Alright, so here I got the strictly diesel dipstick adapter repair kit for my 7.3 liter Excursion. It's got the directions right there. Came with a sticker, the new adapter, as well as the new O-ring for the dipstick tube itself. Right here, we're looking at this as a Ford part. If you guys want to take a look at it. Here's the adapter. Looks a lot better than in the pictures. Doesn't have all the jewelling on it. They polish it up a little bit. Double O-ring on the back. And if you could see there, it has the slots for the old body style or the Super Duty configuration. And they even threw in 2 catalogs here of Diesel Tech, both of which have some information on the 7.3. Didn't know if that was the plan or not, but works out. Alright, I'll be installing this here later on tonight when my little one falls asleep, and see how it goes.